The DEH-33HD has a lot of audio capabilities, so you can tweak it to sound exactly how you want. Here's National Trainer Harry Kroll to show us how.
Let's look at some of the audio functions on the Pioneer's DEH-33HD. We get to the audio menu by pressing the multi-control button and spinning the dial until we get to audio and pressing again. Here we enter the fade and balance setup. Press the multi-control button in to get into that menu, and FR is front and rear, LR is left and right. So FR is front and rear, that's our fade control, and we can turn the dial to move to the front, turn the dial in the other direction to move to the rear. If I press the button again, we'll move to left and right, which is our balance control. Here, turning the dial to the right and turning the dial to the left will affect our fade and balance. Once I'm done with that, I can press my back button, back out to that menu, turn the multi-control knob, and we're into the equalizer settings. These are the preset equalizer settings. I'll enter into that, and here we're on the custom setting. We also have a flat equalizer setting, powerful setting, dynamic, vocal, natural, and back to custom. So 5 presets and a custom setting. How do you create a custom setting? We'll go over to the next menu. Here's our tone control. We'll enter into the tone control, and here our bass is set at +4. We can spin the dial to turn that to +6 or all the way back to -6. So plus or minus 6 dB for the bass setting. Press the tone or the multi-control button in again. We'll get to the mid, and we have the same operation here, plus or minus 6. Press it again, we get over to our treble, and plus or minus 6 for the 3-band EQ. I'll hit my back button again. Now from tone control, I can move over to our loudness setting. Press the multi-control button in to enter the loudness setting. Here it's set to high. We can have it turn off, low, or high. We'll leave it back on the high setting. Go to my back button again. Turn the multi-control to subwoofer number 1. Subwoofer setting 1 is either normal or reversed phase or switching subwoofer off. Here we'll leave it on the normal setting, and I'll turn my use the back key to go over to subwoofer setting number 2, and we'll enter in there. Here we can select the crossover frequency and the booster cut for the subwoofer. So our crossover frequencies are 50, 63, 80, 100, or 125, and back down to 50. We press the button to move over. We have a plus or minus 6 dB booster cut for the subwoofer output. Hit our go back button again to subwoofer 2. We spin it around. We're back around to our fade and balance control.